Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mecklenburg County, Lunenburg County, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hampton Sydney College to near Kaysville to near Cluster Springs to Prospect Hill, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Rehoboth around 6:05 p.m. Victoria and Lunenburg around 6:10 p.m. Cambridge around 6:15 p.m. 30 p.m. South Hill and La Crosse around 6:35 p.m. Broadnax around 6:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Bacon's Fork, Wilburn, Spanish Grove, Guild Corner, Beechwood, Arvin Store, Finchley, Finwood, and Forksville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at @WakefieldUp. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Virginia, Lunenburg, and Mecklenburg.